Hi guys, welcome to Tutoring Success. Today we are going to be looking at how to simplify without the use of a calculator. So in this question we are given this expression, so we can clearly see that this is an exponential problem, so we are going to use the laws of exponent. So our first task on this question is to change this negative and make it a positive. So how do we do that? We are going to take the denominator and we are going to make it a numerator, and then we take the numerator, we make it the denominator, and then automatically this negative is going to be positive. So what do I mean? I mean that at the numerator we are going to be having 27x to the power of negative 3 all over 3x to the power of negative 3. So, and then that negative 2 over 3 is going to be a positive now. It's positive 2 over 3. So another thing that I always tell my students is that if you are given a problem like this, you should not rush to take this exponent and multiply with it on the inside. So what I encourage is that we must first start solving within the bracket. Like we must start by solving everything here. What do I mean? You are going to punch your calculator. I know that they said without the use of a calculator, but we are looking for facts, right? So you are going to say 27 equals shift fact, and then your 27 is going to be written as 3 to the power of 3. And then we have 3 to the power of negative 3 divided by, and then on the denominator we are going to take this exponent and multiply it with the exponents on the inside. So here is the same as saying negative 3 multiplied by 1, because there is an exponent of 1 here and there is another exponent of 1 there. So we are going to be having 3 to the power of negative 3 x to the power of negative 3. We still have our 2 divided by 3. And then on our next step, we are going to take the denominator and make it our numerator. So our x to the power of negative 3 is going to cancel each other, and then we are going to be having 3 to the power of 3, which is this one, and then multiply by 3 to the power of negative 3. So there's I mean to the power of positive 3. There's this law that states that if you take a denominator, you make it a numerator, it's going to change its exponent. So a classic example from the textbook is this one. They say 1 over a is the same as a to the power of negative 1. So in this case we are having a negative 3. So when you make it your numerator, it's going to change from a negative 3 to a positive 3. And then we still have our 2 over 3 on our exponent, and then there's these other laws that states when you multiply the same base, you are going to add the exponent. So it's going to be 3 to the power of 3 plus 3 multiplied by our power of 2 over 3. And then 3 plus 3 is 6, right? So we are having 3 to the power of 6 multiplied by 2 over 3. And then we are going to multiply the exponent, right? So we are going to take this whole fraction, we multiply it by 6. So 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, divided by 3 is 4. So our final answer is 3 to the power of